I'm WLWT meteorologist Randy Rico. We have seen several rounds of rain, some rounds a little heavier than others, even a little thunder and lightning early this morning. As we transition into the afternoon, the skies stay pretty gloomy. We'll see occasional light spotty showers and gusty winds upwards of 20 miles an hour at times. Temperatures pretty steady, upper 50s to around 60. Now, Futurecast as we head through the afternoon just likes to throw a little blanket of light showers toward us through the afternoon at any point. Basically gray, gloomy skies, a spitting shower here or there, but I think we see them less frequently than we did early this morning. As we roll towards sunset tonight, the rain chance will fade. The skies will actually clear out tonight. It stays very windy overnight, dipping to the mid-40s. Tomorrow, sunny, windy, winds up to 30 miles an hour through the day. And then as we head into the afternoon and evening, another round of showers, maybe even a little thunder and lightning second half of the day, Tuesday, lasting into very early Wednesday morning. So your forecast for today, 64 if we're lucky, but basically steady towards 60 for planning purposes. Dropping to 44 tonight, 61 and windy tomorrow with rain later in the day. And then notice highs near 60 for the rest of the week. Overnight lows starting Thursday morning could dip down into the 30s.